Should you buy silver now, even after it has already delivered a massive 130% profit in 2025? Or is silver preparing for another 80% crash, just like that brutal collapse we saw after the 2011 pump? Today, we're going to break down both possibilities with real market logic and hard facts. First things first, you need to understand that silver is not going to crash the way it did before. Back then, the market was dominated by paper contracts, easily manipulated by artificial supply and demand. But today, the game has changed. The rising physical demand for silver has completely destroyed the influence of those paper contracts. We'll dive into the full mechanics of this in our next video, so make sure you're subscribed. For now, let's focus on what's really driving this rally. Silver's price is rising for two major reasons. First, it's a precious metal and a global safe haven investment. Second, and this is the big one, the industrial demand for silver is exploding at a historic pace. Let's break down the biggest force behind this rally, a perfect storm of structural shortage. The global silver market has been in a continuous deficit since 2021. In 2025, this shortage is expected to hit between 95 and 149 million ounces. Mine production is stuck at around 835 million ounces, and recycling just can't keep up. Here is the twist most people don't know. Over 70% of silver is produced as a byproduct of mining other metals like copper and lead. This means even if silver prices skyrocket, miners can't just flip a switch and increase supply. This long-term shortage is giving silver powerful upward momentum that analysts believe will continue for years. Now let's talk about industrial demand. It's not just rising, it's exploding. Nearly 60% of all silver demand now comes from the industrial sector, hitting a record 700 million ounces in 2025. The biggest driver is the global shift toward green energy and high-tech systems. Solar panels can't function without silver, with each one using up to 25 grams of it. Massive solar expansion in China, India, and Europe means this segment alone consumes over 200 million ounces. Electric vehicles use twice as much silver as traditional cars. And let's not forget AI servers, data centers, and 5G infrastructure, all of which rely on silver's unmatched conductivity. This industrial boom is transforming silver into a true green metal, a core building block of the future economy. On top of all this, global tensions and economic uncertainty have pushed investors towards safe haven assets, and silver is a major beneficiary. The massive rally in gold this year also pulled silver up with it. We've seen huge inflows into ETFs like SLV and a surge in physical silver buying worldwide. All these forces, supply shortage, industrial demand, and investor inflow, have made 2025 a historic year for silver.